Let's make a DIY wrought iron fence. I've wanted one of these for so long, but they're just so expensive. So nothing better than a DIY. So let's determine how big you want your fence to be. You're gonna drill holes in 1x2s because you need the top 2 pieces and you need the bottom pieces for the frame of your fence. So we used a 1/2-inch spade bit to drill into the 1x2s, and we're gonna take that 1/2-inch PVC and you're gonna slide it right through there so it'll be a snug, tight fit. We used a small 1-inch screw to fasten the wood to the PVC, basically so it just holds it in place and secures it. Found these fence toppers online on literally a fencing website, and then we're using this foam windowsill to basically create the little arch in the fence to make it look more real and authentic. Once you have the foam tape fastened, you just want to go in with some spray paint. I went with a matte finish just because I wanted that like older look, so we just spray painted it with a few coats of black spray paint. We took a piece of rebar and fastened it to the ground and then just slid the fence right on top to secure it and hold it in place. Found a 4-pack of foam boards at Lowe's, so we just used some finishing nails to basically create a box, and then we used a ruler and create little brick DIY posts. Used a soldering pin to create some definition, and then I just went in with my funness and created just a real faux brick look. We fastened some wood into the ground and just slid the brick panels right over top.